Hey guys, and a very good morning to you, and welcome to Arboleas on this absolutely gorgeous December morning. Check out these stunning blue skies. It's around, I don't know, 19 degrees, and I've come over to do a walk around of an absolutely glorious new listing, Villa Poppy. Straight away, as soon as I pulled up, I think a couple of things strike you. One, this is in a tiny little quiet cul-de-sac made up of only 4 villas to this design, and they're the only ones built in Arboleas. And the second thing that strikes you as the property's been totally refurbished is it's like a new pin, outside walls, inside walls. So this genuinely is, with the addition of furnishings, a turnkey property. The garden's also been totally overhauled, beautifully landscaped to kind of be easy to maintain, just provide kind of features like this wonderful olive tree here, and there's some planted beds in the corners. You guys know me, I certainly like houses that give surprises, and this one, as we'll see in a second, packs a lovely one. Up above there you can see this gorgeous wrap-round, very good sized solarium. That's the master bedroom on the upper floor. Although saying that, I've got some friends who live in one of these, and they've used one of the big downstairs bedrooms as the master, and the upstairs they keep for guests. This gorgeous covered porch area here that kind of overlooks the pool and just provides wonderful shade and a great seating and kind of relaxation area. Now you're in the El Prado community, so very easy walk to kind of amenities, a few nice bars, 2-3 minutes max drive from the centre of Arboleas town, so access is very good. And you're 1.5 minutes from the main road, the new Indian restaurant, so getting down to Albox for market days or supermarket shops, again very easy. Love this kind of bow fronted lounge, and when you get in there you'll see it's got a real open plan feel, which is very popular these days. Now, because this has all been bought and refurbished, ready for sale, the neighbour you can see there has kind of heightened their wall to give them more privacy, so that has got to be rendered on the other side. But it's great that they've done it, because it just makes it more private for them and more private for you. There's a closer look at the kind of covered porch stoop almost. I've seen these with big couches, you know, coffee tables and armchairs, so they just make a wonderful kind of relaxation area. New front door, we'll go through there in a second. And then coming up here, the swimming pool, 8x4, you can see that's literally brand new. All the coping stones, it's just been finished probably around a month ago. Just waiting to be filled. And here's the wonderful surprise. So you've got this great big garage block that runs along at the back of the property. You've got double gate access that leads into a very good size off-street parking area. Now this has kind of been divided at the moment. You've got a wonderful possible 4th bedroom, maybe workroom, maybe gym, and then 2/3 of it have been left as garage. So again, I love kind of surprises, but ones that are versatile. So the bedroom could be kind of opened up to form a full kind of guest apartment, or it could be left as it is, or the garage could be made even bigger with the addition of a workshop. Lots of options. You can see the kind of wraparound solarium from this side to give you some idea of size as well. And a little pan around from here. Very peaceful. As I know, through road you've got very little vehicular traffic, next to zero. And you've got the new Val Verde walking route straight into Arboleas Centre. Literally you can pick that up, 2 minutes walk from here, and be in Arboleas Centre in 20 minutes walking. I like the little attentions to detail, this artificial grass kind of terrace around the pool, and then the ugly pool pump kind of tucked discreetly behind the garage there, where that can be made even more discreet fairly simply. And that will give you some idea of the size of the garage and the possible fourth bedroom or gym or whatever. We'll take a look inside those in a second. But before we do, let's kind of finish the tour of the outside. Now the gardens are just over 700 metres, 7.9, 7.10, something like that, so a very good sized garden. And the fact that it's all kind of been newly landscaped and laid out as it is, you know, means this property blends perfectly. You know, it could be a full-time residence, fantastic second home. When I said at the beginning it's kind of been newly refurbished, that includes an entire kind of redecoration, so that's outside walls and interior all been repainted. And then coming along with the garage now, if you like, on my left, you can see sliding double gate access. This leads you into a big, you know, off-street parking area, ample room there for a motorhome or 2 vehicles. Look down the property from this side. And hey, this was a lovely holiday surprise to get this just before the holidays. We had one in this location previously, I think last year, and I think it's down as our most viewed video ever on YouTube, something like 36,000 views. Incredible. But understandable, these are beautiful homes. So we're getting a lot of demand at the moment from people who want garages and workshops. I suppose it would be wrong of me to do the video and not kind of show you the inside, so let's go and take a look. So as you can see, it's fully tiled. I'm standing with a kind of rear wall right behind me, very good size. Got electric out here, and there's a water supply just outside in the garden, which we'll see in a second. But that's not been connected to this because it's being used for a garage at the moment. And then a quick look from that side, so you can see that's a kind of stud partition wall that's been put in along there really, which is kind of dividing this from what could be the fourth bedroom or the games room. So that could very easily be opened up and converted to what you want to use it for, or left as it is. But here's as it stands at the moment. Sorry, you'll probably say, oh, you're a heathen, but I turned this into a massive kind of summer kitchen, come outside bar area. Who needs it? There's an obsession with getting these 4-bedroom properties, but then you end up really not using them. The fourth bedroom, sometimes even the third bedrooms are workrooms and sewing rooms. So yeah, I find other uses for these fourth bedrooms. And if it was a summer kitchen or a bar, it's something that would get used on a regular basis. Even a gym would get used more than a fourth bedroom. Right, let's go and have a whirl around the interior for you. And I hope you're loving this as much as I am. Well, I was going to have a whiz around the interior, but darn it, I've lost the blooming key. Nah, just kidding. Come on. Let's go and take a look. So in through this brand new, very nice white finish front door. Now brings you in there. This would really be a dining area, so although it's one large kind of room, it's been segregated, so you've got a living area and a dining area separated, but then this gorgeous kind of double arch, which just gives this a lovely kind of open plan feel leading into the newly installed kitchen. Some of the appliances are in place. You can see there the oven and the extractor hood, but it will need kind of washing machine and dishwasher and stuff installed. And there's spaces for that. You might not be able to see from the video, but this is siltstone worktops and kickboards. And a kitchen window that looks out over the kind of pool area. So, back round, front door that I came in. You see the stairs there leading up to the upper floor. And then this kind of dining area just blends round perfectly, flows into a gorgeous bow-fronted and beautifully kind of illuminated living area. I think in total I've counted there's 6 windows around the lounge area, so it's absolutely gorgeous, bright room. Pan around from here for you. And following on round. I'm loving this kind of very neutral tile scheme. You've got a corner mounted wood burning fire there. I mean, that can very easily be adapted to a pellet burner if that's what you choose, what you prefer. You might not have noticed as we came in, but you've got a big air conditioning unit up above here. So up to the second floor via these gorgeous stairs. Before we pop up there, arched access to the right of the kitchen takes you into a nice kind of lobby area, which I've seen people put in, you know, beautiful kind of occasional tables, bookshelves, that sort of thing. There's an understairs storage cupboard immediately to my right. Then the main bathroom right in front of me. Hello guys, I've got this jacket on, I don't need it. So a marble encased sink there, WC, bath with overhead shower. Light fitting needs to be added in here, but you've got a couple of sunken spots as well. And then that's a door to the understair cupboard. And then two very good sized bedrooms on this level, both with air conditioning and both with fitted wardrobes. Bedroom 2. I'm noticing there's TV sockets in both the bedrooms as well. Ample power points. So let's go and take a wander on upstairs. And as we go up there, I mean, similar to the outside, you know, I'm struck as I come in by, it's absolutely gleaming in here, you know, it's like a total new pin. So these stairs lead up to a little landing area, and then there's a door on the left, which goes out onto the wraparound solarium. We won't go out through that way, but it's a handy feature because it means kind of, I suppose if you're in residence in the bedroom, guests can kind of use the roof terrace without having to come through the bedroom. To be honest, people that got these villas with the roof terraces on the upper floor and the solariums off the master bedroom tend to keep these as private terraces, so quite a good plan, out of bounds to guests. So good sized, newly fitted ensuite shower room in here. Air conditioning. There's a bank of fitted wardrobes you'll see in a second to my left when I come back in. And that's the door from the bedroom out onto the roof terrace. Before we pop out there, I'll just do a little pan around from this side so you can see the wardrobes. Oh, here we go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom! How absolutely gorgeous is that? Just stunning. I can see over there, there's the little hamlet of the Cinta where you've got two fantastic bar cafes and a kind of little village shop. Very easy walk. And then look at that, just absolutely magnificent backdrop. You can see, you know, this is a very big, expansive area. Ideal for these kind of fancy pod couches, sun loungers, you name it. It'll all fit up here quite comfortably. Lie back, chill. Again, sorry, I seem like I'm obsessed with kind of bars and drinking areas, but I put some counters up here and a lovely little fridge, so I could chill up here on the sun chairs, sun loungers, taking in a nice evening glass of plonk or a gin and tonic. Perhaps you're thinking along the same lines. So there you have it, Villa Poppy, a 3 or 4 bedroom villa with a garage, 710 metre gardens, totally refurbished, brand new 8x4 swimming pool, easy walk to amenities, very close proximity to Arboleas Centre. Price of this one €279,000, 500, 279, 500, being pedantic. And we'd be delighted to show you. Full details will be available in the link below. Give us a call as always, +34 950 430 763, or send us a mail, CalidaHomes@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.